This is 28 Holyoke Street, apartment A. It's a first floor apartment. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, 1.5 bathroom. The owner has just redone the kitchen, so it has brand new floors, new cupboards. It's just been repainted. It does have a closet on the left as you turn the door. Has a dishwasher, new countertops. And then on this side of the kitchen is one of the bedrooms. It's actually the smaller bedroom. Has a double closet. Also has a closet over here. And this one has a half bath. Right over here it does have some built-in cupboards, a small window, new toilet and vanity. And again, it's just been repainted. The floors have been painted. It's got original wood floors, but they've all been nicely repainted. And then back up to the kitchen. You have a laundry area. You have washer dryer hookups right here. And a closet space. This is a pretty good size. It's double hanging doors. And then off the laundry area is a full bath. You have some more built-ins. And then back out to the kitchen. Around here is the living room, which is actually a pretty good size. Has a couple of windows, door to the basement, and a door right here goes out to the front. And then it does have some more built-ins. Some glass shelves and some drawers. And this flooring is new out here. And then this goes to the second bedroom, a little bit larger than the other one. Again, it's all been nicely repainted. And there's a nice little wardrobe over here with mirrors. Again, this is 28 Holyoke Street in Brewer, apartment A, first floor apartment. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit. If you do have any questions or inquiries, you can visit us on our website at rentbango.com or call 974-6606.